Imagine finding a strange, unique-looking stone. Could it be a raw diamond worth thousands of dollars, or is it just a worthless piece of quartz? Before polishing and cutting, raw diamonds can trick even top experts if they don't rely on proper scientific tools. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 proven, professional methods gemologists use to accurately test and evaluate raw diamonds. The first method is the thermal conductivity test, using a diamond tester, which is the fastest initial step traders take in the field. Natural diamond is one of the most thermally conductive materials in nature, so when the probe touches the stone, it instantly absorbs heat and triggers a positive signal. Just be sure to use a modern multi-tester to tell diamonds apart from moissanite. The second method is the specific gravity test, where we weigh the stone in the air and then submerged in distilled water. If the result falls between 3.51 and 3.53, you are looking at 100% natural diamond density. The third method is UV fluorescence, as around 30% to 50% of natural diamonds emit a blue fluorescent glow under ultraviolet light. The fourth method is examining crystal habit and optical refraction. Natural raw diamond has a cubic crystal system, often forming as an octahedron with sharp edges, and it is single refractive. Finally, the fifth method is the Mohs hardness test. Diamond is the hardest natural material, rated 10 on the Mohs scale, and can easily scratch sapphire or glass, though a serious warning: diamonds are brittle and can shatter under a hard blow, so never hit one with a hammer. Ultimately, the best approach is combining several of these tests, and if you have a high-value stone, sending it to an accredited lab like GIA is always your best bet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and tell me in the comments, have you ever tried testing a stone before?